Hey, I was wondering what was inside of baseball, and we've been hitting in the cage a lot, and we get these kind of balls that break off the cover. So I just thought, why not make a video and show everybody what's inside a baseball? So we have the cover, of course, and inside we have a lot of white string that we're gonna wrap, and as you can see, is like there's something black inside, and it's a lot of string on this first stop. It's a really lot of substance in the baseball, more than you would think there was. You would think there's just a string and some rubber, but when we get to it, you'll kind of be surprised about what it is. Closer to the middle of it, baseballs will sound a little different when they bounce, because the baseball sounds more like that, but here you can feel like when you bounce it, it sounds more like a rock in it. Getting closer. It looks like there's a lot of strands in whatever this is, in the middle of it. Looks like it might be yarn or something. Yeah, I guess it's yarn. Inside the baseball is more string, just tougher string. Just keeps going and going. Looks like more yarn, just a different color, maybe? Yeah. There's more yarn, and this time it's white. Oh, looks like same thing as before. Same colored yarn. And we just gotta keep unraveling it. Feels really rubbery. And very sticky with the string. There. Guess it's a pink little ball. Does it bounce? Yeah. Guess it's kind of a bouncy ball too. So the middle of a baseball is a pink bouncy ball covered by black string, covered by white string, covered by more black string, and covered by white string, and a cover.